Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best laundry detergent cup is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining pristine clothes, as it ensures the precise amount of detergent is used for optimal cleaning without any waste, ultimately contributing to both the longevity of your garments and the efficiency of your laundry routine, making it a small but mighty addition to your household chores. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. They offer a powerful clean without the plastic waste. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Plus, they are completely liquidless and plastic-free, making them an eco-conscious choice. Experience a gentle yet effective clean that's kind to your skin. Our formula is designed to be tough on dirt but soft on fabrics and sensitive skin. Their compact, travel-friendly design makes them ideal for any living situation. No more bulky jugs, just simple, effective cleaning on the go. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-friendly cleaning for your entire wardrobe. Simply toss one sheet into your washing machine. It dissolves completely, releasing its cleaning power into hot or cold water cycles for a perfect wash every time. What we like? Experience a revolutionary way to do laundry with these innovative detergent sheets. They tackle tough stains and odors effectively, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient option for your laundry needs, especially for travel or small spaces, these are a fantastic choice. What people say? They take up almost no space in a suitcase, there's no risk of liquid spills, and you can pack exactly the number of loads you expect to wash. The sheets dissolve easily in warm water and handle light to moderately soiled clothing well. Love the ease of use and the fact that there's no plastic container. Eco-friendly. Number 4. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets, a powerful yet gentle way to clean your clothes. They are fragrance-free, making them ideal for sensitive skin. Experience a new kind of clean with our eco-friendly, liquidless detergent sheets. Each sheet is designed to provide a full load of cleaning power without the plastic waste. Don't let tough stains and odors worry you. These sheets are formulated to effectively tackle even the most stubborn messes, leaving your laundry fresh and clean. Their compact and travel-friendly design makes them perfect for life on the go. Easily pack them for trips without worrying about spills or leaks. Use them with confidence in both hot and cold water cycles. They dissolve completely, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, these detergent sheets are hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals. Enjoy clean clothes without irritation. What we like? Discover a gentle yet powerful laundry solution designed for sensitive skin. These eco-friendly sheets are free from fragrances and harsh chemicals, ensuring a clean wash without irritation. If you or someone in your household suffers from allergies or has sensitive skin, this is the perfect detergent to consider for a worry-free clean. What people say? They take up almost no space in a suitcase, there's no risk of liquid spills, and you can pack exactly the number of loads you expect to wash. The sheets dissolve easily in warm water and handle light to moderately soiled clothing well. Love the ease of use and the fact that there's no plastic container. Eco-friendly. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Mini Squeeze and Pour Silicone Measuring Cup. This flexible silicone cup is perfect for melting butter or chocolate in the microwave. Its design makes it incredibly convenient for all your baking needs. The unique honeycomb pattern on the outside keeps your hands safe from heat. You can confidently handle it, even when it's hot. Its flexible body and spout allow for easy pouring into tricky spots, like the bowl of your stand mixer. Get ingredients exactly where you need them. Convenient measurement markings are integrated right into the cup. This ensures you achieve precise pouring for all your recipes. This cup is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Plus, its flat base provides excellent stability on your countertop. What we like? Simplify your kitchen tasks with this versatile measuring cup. Its flexible silicone design and precise markings make it ideal for melting ingredients and pouring into tight spaces. If you enjoy baking or cooking and need a reliable tool for accurate measurements and easy ingredient transfer, this is a must-have gadget. What people say. With a flexible body and spout, the squeeze and pour silicone measuring cup makes it easy to mix, measure, microwave and pour all from the same measuring cup. The specialized honeycomb pattern protects your hands by dissipating heat, and a simple squeeze forms a precise pour spout. Super sturdy, easy to use, smooth but not slippery, sleek, and accurate measurements. This has been a huge improvement for my popcorn procedure. The container isn't overheated when it comes out of the microwave, easy to hold. Its flexibility and pour spout lets me drizzle the butter without making a mess. And I can wash it in the dishwasher. Number 2. TidyFriend Liquid Laundry Detergent Holder Stand. Tired of detergent holders that don't fit? This stand is designed for universal use, accommodating most detergent and softener bottles. It's a seamless addition to your laundry setup, providing ample space without being bulky. Say goodbye to the struggle of lifting heavy detergent bottles. Our stand features a downward angled platform that uses gravity for smooth, effortless pouring. Enjoy zero hassle with every use. Keep your laundry area clean and tidy. With non-slip rubber feet and a built-in drip tray, it catches every spill. This means no more messy puddles or wasted soap on your counters. This dispenser keeps your detergent securely in place. An adjustable strap ensures stability, preventing bottles from sliding or falling. Enjoy reliable, rock-solid storage for your laundry essentials. Experience total convenience with this smart dispenser. It holds your detergent bottle and cup in one tidy space. It even functions as a fabric softener dispenser, simplifying your laundry routine. Setting up is a breeze. Simply place your detergent bottle on the stand and fasten the adjustable strap securely around it. Ensure it's snug to prevent any movement. What we like? Transform your laundry routine with this smart detergent stand. It eliminates the need to lift heavy bottles, allowing for effortless pouring and keeping your counters clean. If you struggle with heavy detergent containers or want to maintain a tidy laundry space, this organizer is designed to make your life easier. What people say? It works exactly as advertised. The strap has silicone strips on it to hold the container in place. The TidyFriend holds detergent, tilting it at an angle to get all the detergent out of the bottle. No wasted detergent, no messy drips, simple to use stand. Works as it should, easy to use and non-slip. Super support pour gros format de bouteilles de savon à lessive. Bon design et distribue efficacement le savon dans le gobelet sans laisser de gouttes sur le plancher. Number 1. Laundry Detergent Holder 2-pack. Are you tired of dealing with messy detergent spills after every wash? It's a common problem that can make your laundry routine more difficult than it needs to be. Introducing our innovative laundry detergent holder, designed to keep your laundry space clean and organized. This set is perfect for managing your liquid detergent and fabric softener. Keep your detergent area tidy and clean with this practical organizer. Its design helps catch drips, preventing residue from building up on your machines or shelves. Using it is simple, just place your detergent bottle or cup on the holder. It's also easy to clean, ensuring your laundry accessories stay in top condition. Made from durable plastic, this holder is built to last. It's a practical solution for keeping your laundry area neat and efficient, wash after wash. This set is ideal for both liquid detergent and fabric softener containers. It ensures that any excess liquid is caught, maintaining a spotless laundry environment. What we like? Keep your laundry area neat and organized with this practical set of detergent holders. Designed to catch drips and prevent messes, these organizers also help save space. If you're tired of spills and clutter around your laundry detergent and fabric softener, this 2-pack offers a simple and effective solution for a cleaner, more organized wash day. What people say? It fits a lot of detergent bottles, keeps the cup under so you don't lose it or get the drips everywhere. They are made of sturdy plastic and are long enough that they slide pretty far under the detergent bottle. It will keep the measuring cup stored and handy while preventing unwanted detergent or fabric softener drips on the counter and washing machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.